アロハ
アロハ
ハワイのけんさんウクレレぷあぷあです。今日もYouTube チャンネルご覧いただきましてありがとうございます。はい、今日もですねアンティジンが来てくれてます。
アロハこんにちは。
お、こんにちは。こんにちは。
Yeah.
こんにちは。
I tried.
I thought that you said like ケンイチ。ケンイチは。
You say it and I'll say it again.
こんにちは。
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 はい。
I will remember.
All right. Yeah. Today we're gonna do same thing. One English song, and then after that, one Japanese song with easy 4 chords.
Sounds real good and you'll like it too.
All right.
Okay.
So いつもの巡回コードの、4つのコードで C、A マイナー、F、G7 でやってみようと思います。はい。What kind of song are you going to play today?
It's very appropriate for here in Hawaii. Baby Shark.
Baby Shark.
It seems like you knew Baby Shark.
Yes, I knew that. How did you find this?
I have a friend who has grandchildren. He said, Auntie Jean, you must teach us how to play Baby Shark.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
So your friend asked about this song, and it's kind of good for the children.
It was a request, and then I asked some other people, did you ever, because I had never heard of this song, and everybody else said, we know that song, it's a wonderful song for any age.
All right, yeah. I asked my son too. Do you know this song? And then he said that from the elementary school, the kindergarten or younger, to the 10th grade.
Wow.
Everybody know this song, and then 3 years ago, it came up.
Wonderful. I wonder if your son is learning ukulele. Will he be able to play?
I think so, yeah.
It's easy song.
Yeah, it's very easy song. All right, a nice song.
Yes. And so we're going to give it a go, and I hope you'll enjoy it. And I'm doing a strum called down, down, up, down, up.
Right.
But you'll probably hear the strum in it. So I'm going to start with doing something cute. I'm going to do, baby shark down, 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 baby shark down, 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 baby shark down, 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 baby shark, boom, boom, baby shark down, 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 baby shark down, 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 baby shark down, 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 baby shark. Oh, good verse. Let's play you down, 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 down. Let's play you down, 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 down. Let's play you down, 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 down. Let's play you. Woo-hoo! It's a good one. It's a good one.
All right.
Is there words for baby shark in
Baby
Japanese?
shark.
Are there words that would fit the song in Japanese?
小ザメ。
You heard it.
小ザメ。Yeah, it's a small shark. Baby shark.
Should I believe him? Does he speak good Japanese? You
Hi.
tell us.
Okay, that was the English song. And then another thing I want to do is a Japanese song. Yeah,
Looking forward to this.
Yeah, I made a song actually.
Oh, aren't we impressed?
Yeah, I'm gonna sing for Auntie Jean because a lot of people is learning ukulele from you, and then having a ukulele and playing. So you might change the people's life a lot.
Oh, that I could do that. But to have a song by Kenny?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah,
Can't
so,
wait to hear it.
Okay, so it goes same chorus progression,
Okay.
and then down, down, up, down.
Okay.
Okay.
You start,
Ready?
I'll follow.
1,
1,
2,
2, 3.
ready. 1, down, up, down, 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 up. Oh, wait, one more time.
Okay, here we go again.
ありがとう、アンティジン。アロハ、青い青へ。あなたのウクレレレッスンでみんな幸せになれるよ。
I I take it was the words were good. You'll have to explain the
Mahalo.
words sometime. But thank you so much. I'm
Yeah.
very impressed.
Yeah, thank you so much.
And for this old Howley woman from New Jersey, to
Jersey?
have a special Japanese song on ukulele, doesn't get much better than that. Okay.
Yeah, see you next time.
Maybe that's a wrap. We'll see you next time. Aloha, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye.